Welcome back, students. Today we are going to discuss about microorganisms as friends. Microbes play an important role in our lives. Some are beneficial in many ways, whereas some are harmful. But in this part of lesson, we will discuss how microbes are beneficial to us or how they are our friends. Students, there are some foods which you like a lot, such as dosa, chana bhatura, mozzarella cheese on pizza, or curd, etc. These are all prepared with the help of microbes. There are many fields where microbes are useful to us, such as curd making, cheese making, dosa batter making, and also in some of them are also useful for making antibiotics. And some microorganisms are used to produce enzymes, and some microbes are also used for making food. Some microbes are present in our body to benefit us. They protect us from other harmful microbes, or sometimes they are also very essential for our gut because they enhance the decomposition process or breaking down process of our food in our body. Some microbes keep our environment clean. So these are some of the benefits of these microbes or how they help mankind. We will discuss them gradually one by one. Commercial use of microorganism. Production of alcohol and wine is one of the important commercial use of microorganisms. In this process, wine or alcohol is produced by the process of fermentation. This process was discovered by Louis Pasteur in 1857. Fermentation is a complex process in which sugars or starch from various sources get converted into alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide, at about 25 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius in absence of oxygen. If it gets exposed to oxygen in the process, it gets converted into acetic acid, which is also called vinegar. So if we want to obtain alcohol, we have to prevent oxidation of the alcohol. So it is done anaerobically, that means in absence of oxygen. Students, alcohol production is one of very important industry in world, as well as it's also important in our country. It fetches good amount of money to government. Alcohol is, as we know, in our country produced by fermentation of sugarcane juice, because our country is a good producer of sugarcane, so we get it from that. Also, it is obtained from starch, which is obtained from malt, maize, and also from glucose, which is obtained from the fruit juices, in which yeast is added, which grows on malt, wheat, or barley. Sugar or starch get converted into alcohols and carbon dioxide is released. Now, this is how we obtain a very important or very expensive product from. Sometimes this is also obtained from waste, biological waste. So fermentation, so microorganism fermentation, which is produced by microorganisms, is one of the essential or very valuable process. Well, students, friendly microorganisms, there are other uses other than making alcohol. Students, you might have seen your mom makes curd at home by adding small amount of curd in warm milk and keep it for in a warm place. You see that milk gets converted into curd. And this process is taking place because of small microorganisms which are called lactobacillus. These lactobacillus reproduce in the milk and help in converting milk into curd. Another such process which you have observed uh, in your day-to-day life also, you might have seen that bread or cake, it is very soft, spongy, and it has small holes in it. These holes in bread or cake are caused by the production of carbon dioxide during the process of fermentation, which gets trapped in these holes. Now, what happens during when we make batter for the bread or for the cake, we add yeast. These yeast cells, they reproduce in the flour dough and produce carbon dioxide during respiration, which makes the dough soft and fluffy and help in making bread, cake, biscuit, pastries, etc. Another such use we have already discussed about formation of alcohol by the process of fermentation. Next is making medicine. Some bacteria and fungi are used to make medicines, and or they are also helpful in killing the harmful microorganism or disease causing microorganism. Such medicines are called antibiotics. For example, streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin, and penicillin. These are some of the medicines which are produced by this process. Medicinal use of microorganism. How microorganisms are used for making different kind of medicines. Whenever you fall ill, the doctor may give you some antibiotic tablets, capsules, or injections such as penicillin or erythromycin tablets. The source of these medicine is microorganism, which we will discuss in next slide. Such medicines are called antibiotics. These days, a number of antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi. Streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin are some of the commonly known antibiotics. These medicines kill or stop the growth of disease causing microbes. How they do that? How they stop the growth of microorganisms? This is done by these antibiotics. They stop microorganism from forming a cell wall around the cell in order to reproduce, because microorganisms, bacteria, they need some cell wall in order to reproduce. If they will not be able to form this cell wall, they will not be able to reproduce, and in this way antibiotics kill these microbes.